Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and today I thought I would just bring you along on like a cozy cottage homemaking video. I wasn't able to get out to the thrift stores this week because I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a swollen eye. It was a lot worse than this. I had a sty, which I get quite often because apparently, because I have rosacea, which you can see on my cheeks, I also have rosacea in my eyes, which is apparently, like I'm prone to getting styes on my eyes, which kind of makes sense because I have had styes in the past, and I usually just put those sty drops in and it clears up and all is good. But this time my eyelid just blew up. It was super swollen. It was kind of like hard to see out of there for a little while as well. So I didn't get to the thrift stores this week, but I thought I would just bring you along today. I'm gonna make some bread. I have some cleaning to do. I need to clean up the boys' rooms. They're pretty messy. So I thought I'd bring you guys along with me on that today. And like I said, I want to make some bread, and the kitchen is pretty clean right now because I did do that last night. But of course Cooper is destroying the living room right now. He's taking all of the pillows off of the couch, even the big ones. So I think I might try to get my couch covers back on, because when the couch covers are on, he takes the throw pillows off, which whatever, but when the couch covers aren't on, he takes off the actual like couch cushions, like the backing and stuff, and when you lean back on the couch it's kind of hard, and anyways, he takes them off. So I thought I would probably try to get those couch covers back on today. And yeah, I thought like kind of just do like a vlog style cottage homemaking video. And yeah, so I'm gonna get my bread started here in a minute, and Cooper wants my attention. Hi buddy. Oh, hi. Oh, hugs. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing today, and I thought I would bring you guys along with me. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video. I think I'm gonna start my bread first, so yeah. So here I'm just gathering all the ingredients that I need to get ready to make my bread. Now this is a very easy like crusty artisan bread that I make, and I will have the recipe down in my description box below for you guys. It is super simple, super easy. There's no kneading really involved in it, and it's, I don't know, I just love making this bread just because it's so simple and so easy. Okay, so little man's room didn't get cleaned up last night, so this is something I need to work on today. I also need to get the crib back up against the wall because he likes to kick and hit his head on the wall at night when he doesn't want to go to sleep, so I do move it out for his safety. I usually push it back in the morning and then pull it out at night. And then, yeah, we gotta clean this up because we didn't get to cleaning it yesterday, did we? No, sir. So I think I'm gonna start tidying up his room. It's not bad, honestly. It's really not that bad, but I do need to get it tidied up. I want to get his sheet changed and some things like that. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay guys, so my dough has risen quite a bit. Typically, like the recipe that I follow, you usually use active yeast and let it sit overnight, but I did use quick yeast today because I wanted to have the bread for supper. So it has risen quite a bit. So I'm gonna take this out now and put it on some flour and then let it rise again before I put it in the oven. But yeah, like look how bubbly it looks. It looks really good. So I'm just gonna get this ready and then let it rise again here on my counter for another like 30 minutes or so, and then I will put it in my Dutch oven and bake it. So this bread, you don't really need it, so I'm not really kneading. I'm just kind of getting it so that it's not so sticky. And then I'm just gonna put a tea towel over it and let it rise for another half hour. So here I am just going to be putting the rest of the dirty dishes into the dishwasher and getting that started. Most of the kitchen is pretty clean because I did just make the bread and I did clean that area. So the kitchen is pretty clean. I'm just going to put these dishes in the dishwasher, get that started, and then I'm going to be moving on to tidying up my living room. So that is all to share with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on this, I don't know, a summer cozy cottage homemaking video. I didn't get everything that I had planned on getting done today. I didn't end up putting the couch covers back on. I did clean Cooper's room and I did tidy Chase's room. I didn't end up filming Chase's room because I just kind of did it quickly. So I did get those few things done. I got my bread baked and things like that, but I just need to remind myself to give myself some grace because obviously I am a mom of 2 kids. My husband does work away from the home. He's usually gone for 2 weeks and home for, he's starting a new rotation. He's gone for 2 weeks and home for 2 weeks. Prior to that, it was gone for 2 weeks and home for a week. So I essentially am a single parent for 2 weeks out of the month, and I have a lot to do with taking care of the kids and things like that. So I definitely need to remind myself to give myself some grace. I'm not gonna get everything done that I need to get done in a day. There's always things to do, like laundry and housekeeping, cooking, getting the kids ready for anything. So I definitely need to remind myself that not everything is going to get done. And sometimes it is hard because I do love a clean home and things like that. But like I said in the beginning of this video, I did end up getting the kitchen cleaned last night, but I didn't get everywhere else in the home clean, or that I wanted to get clean. So today I spent a little bit of time doing those things. So my living room is tidy and ready for when Cooper wakes up from his nap. And then Cooper's room is tidy and Chase's room is tidy. Now these don't stay tidy for long, but they're tidy for now. And yeah, so anyways, that is all to share with you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little homemaking video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps me out. And definitely consider subscribing if you enjoy these types of videos, decorating videos, thrifting videos. I do lots of those types of videos here on this channel, and I would love it if you guys would consider subscribing. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.